In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com effortlessly. So if you're ready to streamline your workflow and keep your tasks on autopilot, this is the video for you. To kick things off, head over to your task board, project board, or to-do list within Monday.com. Make sure you have columns labeled for task name, status, and due date. These are essential for organizing your tasks and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Next, let's delve into automation, which is where the magic truly happens. At the top of your board, you'll see the Automations button. Give that a click and it will open up the Automation Center. Here, you'll want to search for the term recurring in the recipe search bar. This search will bring up various pre-built automation recipes specifically tailored for recurring tasks. Now, when it comes to choosing the right automation recipe, you have several options. You can select something like every time period create an item. For instance, you might set this to create a new task for a weekly team meeting every Monday at 9 a.m. Or if you prefer to have tasks set monthly, you could use every month on this date, create an item. An example of this could be generating a task on the first of every month to send out a monthly report. If daily tasks are more your speed, consider every day create an item. For example, every weekday you might want to prep for a daily stand-up. Once you've chosen your ideal recipe, it's time to customize it to fit your needs. First, set the frequency of your task, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. Then, define what the task will be called, like Prepare Friday Report. It's also a great idea to assign a due date automatically, which can be on the same day or set for a couple of days after task creation. Lastly, make sure to assign the task to the appropriate person so that ownership is always clear. To ensure everything is working perfectly, I recommend creating one test recurring task. This way, you confirm that it populates correctly and tweak any timing or details if needed. Finally, once your recurring tasks are set up, you'll find them conveniently in your calendar view and in My Work. This aspect is key as it provides a visual representation and keeps your daily, weekly, and monthly responsibilities on autopilot, allowing you to focus on what truly matters without having to remember to manually recreate tasks. And that's it. You've now mastered creating recurring tasks in Monday.com. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and happy task managing.